Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed review of the latest smartwatch from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Mi Watch Revolve Active. So last year Xiaomi had announced their first smartwatch, the Mi Watch Revolve. Now it came with pretty good hardware. It has a great display, good battery life. Couple of features missing was one of them was the blood oxygen level. The SpO2 measurement was not there. Otherwise it was a good watch. Now here the Mi Watch Revolve Active, you can see that Mi Watch Revolve Active. Now this device comes with an SpO2 measurement, that's a blood oxygen level, which is something which is really relevant in the COVID times, and it also comes with the built-in Alexa support. So how good it is, what all features it offers, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So we'll be doing a detailed review and a quick comparison as well with the Mi Watch Revolve, which was launched last year. So before getting into this detailed review, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the box package of the Mi Watch Revolve. So we're going to talk about this watch, how good it is, and we'll have a quick comparison with the Mi Watch Revolve, which was launched last year. So this time around we have the Mi Watch Revolve Active. So this has improved. It also comes with Alexa built-in. Now the main features are available here: AMOLED display, 3.53 centimeter AMOLED touchscreen display. In fact, it's 1.39 inch. SpO2 and heart rate monitoring, 110 plus sports modes, long battery life, 5 ATM water resistance, and workout auto detection mode is also included. The color which we have got is beige, so there are multiple colors available. So we're going to talk about this. So inside the box you get the charger and the watch. Now first thing, you can see that the watch looks quite similar to the previous generation watch, the Mi Watch Revolve. This is the Mi Watch Revolve Active, and here we have two buttons, and this time around we have the name mentioned here, home button and the sports mode. So you can see that these are the two buttons available, and the dial is kind of similar. Now the frame also looks quite good. You can see the heart rate sensor and other basic sensors included. Now the watch strap can be easily removed. You can change straps, you can actually interchange straps, you can buy new straps, very easy to remove and add new straps. So that functionality has been retained, and we have the Mi logo here. Everything is mentioned. The strap quality is again good. It is a pretty flexible TPU strap. You can see there is a pattern on the strap. In fact, this was not there on the previous version, especially in the black and the blue variant. Here we get a pattern included, and the buckles and the finishing and the overall quality is really good. So that way the build quality is quite similar. Now next let's talk about the display. Now this watch comes with a 1.39 inches AMOLED display. Let's just turn on the display. Okay, display is turned on. So this is a 1.39 inches AMOLED display with 320 pixels per inch, and it has a peak brightness of around 450 nits, and there is also always on display. So now one of the good things about the Mi Watch Revolve launched last year was the display. Now Mi Watch Revolve Active also carries forward the same display quality. It's one of the really good displays. It's an AMOLED panel, great viewing angles, excellent touch response, and very smooth to use, no lags whatsoever in terms of display touch response, and it looks really nice. So that's one of the good things about the Mi Watch Revolve Active, and you can see that it is really good and crisp and colorful display. The blacks are really good, and the outdoor visibility is also really good, and you get all the functionalities like when you twist, the display wakes up. There is also always on display. So a lot of functionalities are there. So one of the really good displays out there in this price segment. Now next let's move on to the software aspect. So let's just take the home. You can see these are the options available. So you can see this is the workout mode, outdoor running, walking, treadmill, trekking. So a lot of things are there. You can see here almost 110 plus modes are there. In fact 117 sports modes are there, out of which 17 of them are pro, and you can add or remove a sport. So a lot of options are there. So this is quite good for people who are looking for good workout options. So these are the options. Then we have the history of all the workouts and the current activities, the current day activities. You can see steps taken, then calories burned, all those things can be seen here. Then heart rate sensor. So this is the heart rate sensor. You can see that the daily activity heart rate tracking, continuous heart rate tracking is there. Then this is one thing which is new here, SpO2 measurement. We'll come back to the accuracies of these measuring options. Then we have the sleep mode, the sleep distribution, everything is well detailed, and the display is really good. So you can see here the software is also a really good experience it gives in terms of graphs. Now you also see the energy levels. Then stress monitoring, you can see here highly stressed and moderately stressed, so stress monitoring is also included. Then breathing exercise you can do with this, so again very good option. Then Alexa is something which is really good. Now we'll just demo this, we'll just show you how this works. Is there any chance of rain today? So you can see here the answer is now here. It doesn't speak out to us, but it shows the details here. When is the World Test Championship final? So you can see here. So the details are there. So this is how Alexa works. So what you need to do is just pair it with your smartphone and give your Alexa account. It works pretty fine. What's the weather like in Kochi? So you can see it's very fast and responsive, so everything it gives, it doesn't speak up to us, only thing is that we can speak, but it shows the result on the display. Now there is music control. If you're connected, then again there is a option to take photos. This is something which is different. Then we have alarms, stopwatch, and regular options included. Then very good timer, then weather, air pressure is also included. Then you get a compass here, so you can see here this is the compass is included, and this you can see here notifications, torch light, and then we get the settings. You can see here watch faces is there, brightness, do not disturb, raise to wake, heart rate monitoring. Then display, you can see there is an option to have the always on display. You can see here the always on display can be enabled. Then other details are there. So this is the software, and this algorithm is powered by the LiveQ algorithm, which Xiaomi claims is one of the really good algorithms out there. Then it also comes with 12 nm GPS chip included, so it gives you accurate GPS also. Now we have tested it, and the GPS works really well. The sleep tracking is also good. There is also VO2 max while you are doing extreme workouts. Stress monitoring, as I said before, continuous heart rate. So the functionalities are really good here. Now coming to the accuracy level, so here we will divide into different options. One is the first and foremost is the steps taken. So steps taken is pretty much accurate. We would say around more than 98% accuracy you can get with the steps taken. In fact, we tried with other watches as well, compared with other watches as well. This is pretty good. Now next is the heart rate monitoring. Again, heart rate monitoring we also tried with different options, including other watches. Again, it's comparatively good. It can be compared. We found the accuracy levels are pretty good. So next is the blood oxygen level, the SpO2. This is one area where the Mi Watch Revolve Active was not really accurate. We tried with other machines and found that the values differ a lot. In fact, while the medical equipment showed 98, 99, this was showing around 92, 93, so it was not accurate at all, and you can't depend on this watch for the SpO2 measurement. That's what we feel. Again, Xiaomi claims that it's better to go with the medical equipment for accurately measuring SpO2 levels. So this is not this is a new addition to the Mi Watch Revolve Active, but it's not very accurate. So that's the SpO2, but otherwise the readings are pretty good. In fact, the steps taken and heart rate monitoring was pretty good and accurate levels. Now talking about the battery, this device comes with 14 days of battery life, and it takes 2 hours to charge the battery. Now 14 days is what our company claims. In real world testing, we got around 9 to 10 days of battery life, which is again really good. More than a week of battery life you get with this watch. Excellent battery life. Almost 9 to 10 days is easily possible on this watch. Now again, if you are a person who does a lot of workout, it might be reduced to say around 7 days, but still 1 week of battery life is excellent for a smartwatch. Then you can connect to your smartphone and get the notifications. Just swipe from here, you can see the notifications. You can get all the notifications. If swipe from the bottom, you can have a quick control of all the activities. Then here we have all the options what we talked right now. You can see that music playback, blood oxygen level, the heart rate monitoring, and the SpO2 level, all can be measured from the side. Then here we have the sports mode, so you can once again you can quickly toggle the sports mode using this button. So that was the new watch. Now next let's talk about the connecting the app, and then we'll show you. So this is the app. So you can see here this is the app, and you can see there are watch faces available. So you can change the watch face by just pressing on it, and you can just swipe here. These are the watch faces available here. You can also go ahead and download additional watch faces. For that you need the app. So you can see here. So this app. Now you can see here these are the local watch faces available. You can go ahead and download additional ones from the online app. Now there are more than 100 watch faces available, which is pretty good, and the amount of watch faces and the design looks pretty good. In fact these look really nice, and you can just download. There are hundreds of them available. You can download and then sync to the app. Now this uses the Mi Wear Lite app on the iOS, or the Mi Wear app on the Android one, and you can see that here you can see all the detailed information available, heart rate monitoring, stress, energy, everything is it's a very neatly designed app. Right now it was not the best apps out there, but now with the redesigned app has been done really well, and it looks really cool as well. So this is the app, and we found that this watch has pretty good capabilities, especially the battery life, the display, and the features offered are really good. Only downside we felt was the SpO2 level was not really great, not accurate rather. So let's have a quick comparison of the Mi Watch Revolve Active. This is the one, and the Mi Watch Revolve. So in terms of design and looks, nothing much changed. We have some additional sensors here. The charging mechanism is same. The strap mechanism is same. Now here we have a plastic material. This is kind of polycarbonate material, but on the Mi Watch Revolve we had a metal chassis. So you can see here. Also one thing you can see here, the display was slightly. You can see there is a circular ring above the display. Here you don't see that happening, so it's more or less a curved display on this, slightly curved display. Here we had a raised thing, the ring was slightly raised to give a protection to the display. That is not there on this. Apart from that, button alignment all similar. Now this again, the frame was metal. Here it is more or less plastic or polycarbonate material. Then apart from that, in terms of interface, you can see here nothing much changed. So almost similar interface, except for the couple of options. One is you can see that there is the camera option, the remote camera option. Other than that, mostly similar. Also the blood oxygen level, that's something which is added here. Otherwise the interface looks more or less similar. Now even if you go here, you can see here notifications are exactly the same. Bottom section also looks similar. Here also you can see here not much of a difference happened. So a couple of major changes. One is that Alexa has been integrated. As I said before, you could actually ask Alexa for your answers. And then second one is the blood oxygen level, that's SpO2. Those are the two things added to this watch. Now Alexa is quite okay. I mean, it does work pretty well, but the blood oxygen level monitoring was not very accurate. That's what we felt. Otherwise the watch is a really good watch. If you are doing exercise, workouts, the GPS is accurate. Then the other monitoring like the steps taken, all those things are accurate, but SpO2 monitoring was not really accurate. So that's the detailed review of the Mi Watch Revolve Active and a quick comparison with the Mi Watch Revolve. So we expect the pricing to be similar to the Mi Watch Revolve, or rather maybe it can be lesser as well, we are not sure. But even at that pricing, it looks like a good watch, except for the accuracy of SpO2. It looks really good in terms of features being offered. Accuracy levels are good, excellent display, good battery life, the software experience is good, the touch is very smooth. Actually this one area where we really like, the touch experience is good and the battery life is good. So overall, if you're looking for a slightly premium watch in the 10K price segment, this definitely works really well and one of the good watches out there from Xiaomi. So that is a detailed review of the Mi Watch Revolve Active. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.